The latency unit at the Wetzel Center is a hospital diversion program. Our clients are usually screened to us by either their local emergency rooms or there's crisis mobile teams in their home settings. At this point, the clients come to us and they're coming to us for various different reasons. Either they're unstable in their home environment or their school environment. And while they're with us, our ultimate goal is to stabilize them in all those different areas, meaning that their medical necessities are taken care of, their school environment's taken care of, their psychiatry issues are taken care of. We try to get the families involved with us as much as possible, which includes family therapy. We also do individual therapy. We have different recreational activities where we take the clients out to these activities. We provide OT services while they are with us, as well as yoga, music therapy, art therapy, anything that a child might need during their stay with us. And the ultimate goal is to make sure that they are stable and they are able to go back to their environment at a different level of care from when they came in. And also, some of these clients are being placed in other placements, so we want to make sure they're ready for their next step.